Today, I'm going to try to make the E46 sound better. This car already had a muffler on it. It's very loud, very raspy, so I'm going to attempt to make it less raspy but keep the same volume. We're going to change just section 1 with some Rogue Engineering Rasp Eliminator pipes. So let's see how it goes.
The sensation will pass.
Massive improvement on the exhaust sound coming out of the M3. Way less raspy than it was before. We also went ahead and changed the exhaust tips to a set of Megan Racing black chrome exhaust tips, which look way better than the crooked ones that were on there before. But very happy with just changing that section 1. Highly recommend doing it. I may change the muffler in the future. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. What do you think I should change next, if anything?